Hey there, guys. It's Jeremy here again with Consciousness Awake. Welcome. I've been meaning to do this video for quite some time. It's entitled Four Steps to Getting Out of Your Body. Four steps to towards having a out-of-body experience. So let's start. First, let's explain something. This meditation process, this four-step meditation process, is specifically designed and has been used to get out of the physical body through meditation and to transfer consciousness into the etheric body, the very next energy body away from the physical body. Okay, so we're keeping this simple. Let's not worry about astral planes or multiple astral bodies or other light bodies, universal consciousness, all of those types of things. Let's keep it simple. If we want to experience and practice and exercise our abilities to shift consciousness into these other bodies and have these experiences, let's start with something basic and easy. Now, the easiest thing is lucid dreaming, when you're becoming aware and awake consciously within your dream body. So technically, lucid dreaming is the easiest. But this is the next step, okay? So, again, 4 steps. The first step is breathing. The second step is body paralysis, inducing body paralysis. Step 3 is working with the vibrational state, which comes after body paralysis. And step number 4, the hardest part, exit technique, your exit method to actually shift consciousness into that etheric body so you can move around and experience and exercise your etheric body. All right, so let's start with breathing. Step number one, find a quiet space. Lay down on a bed, lay down in a recliner, a couch, the carpet, whatever works for you. I think laying down on a nice foam mat works pretty good because it's really flat and comfortable. It doesn't have a lot of, it doesn't put a lot of pressures on different parts of your body. So like a really thick 3-4 inch, 5-inch meditation mat or something made out of high density foam just on the ground works wonderfully. Okay, so let's start. You find your quiet space and you start with the breathing. So you breathe in through your nose first, okay? 6 seconds. You're breathing in for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then hold your air inside of your body, inside of your lungs. Hold it for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then exhale through the mouth for 6 seconds. So you want to kind of like pace yourself. Don't breathe in too fast. Don't breathe out too slow. Just pace yourself. If you pace the 6-second inhale and the 6-second exhale, then holding the air in your lungs for 6 seconds will be very easy. And also the last component to the breathing exercise is just staying in a state of calmness. After you exhale the air from your mouth, for 6 seconds after that, you're just calm and just quiet before you breathe, before you take in air again through your nose. So there's 4 components to the breathing method. So 6 seconds in through the nose, 6 seconds holding air in your body, 6 seconds exhaling through the mouth, and then 6 seconds just calmness, just quietness, stillness before you bring air back into your nose. Okay? And do this for about a minute or two. As you do it for a minute or two, maybe 3, you'll really start feeling more relaxed. Your body will start relaxing. As your body seems to start to relax, picture something in your mind's eye, right in the center of your forehead. Pretend like there's a projection screen that you can look into, like in a movie theater. Like imagine the inside of your forehead is a movie screen. Imagine a tide. Imagine waves coming in, crashing into rocks, real slow tide, not too aggressive. It just rolls in for 6 seconds. And then the water just sits still for a while, pools, and then the tide goes outward back into the ocean for 6 seconds. And then there's that little pause, little break before the next wave comes crashing back inward, right? So imagine that in your mind's eye on a little screen, and you can see it. You're doing this in tandem with your breathing. So as you're breathing, for example, as you're bringing air in through your nose, you're seeing the wave crashing slowly up the rocks. As you get to the point of exhaling through the mouth for 6 seconds, that's the part where the wave and the tide goes back into the water, back into the ocean. Okay? You want to get that into like some kind of unison. All right, then you got that. That was step 1. Step 2, body paralysis. So body paralysis, you start with your 2 big toes, and then change that screen inside your mind's eye from a tide to just your 2 big toes. And then wish your toes into void, into blackness, into numbness, into nothingness. Just focus. Eliminate your toes until you can't feel them anymore. So once they're numb, there's no weight. You don't feel them. You don't feel their existence. When you get there, then move up your body. Go up to your whole foot, ankle, legs, knees, up to the waist, up through the chest, etc. It will take some practice. You'll probably have to try a few times, but believe me, it's worth it. And you get it all up. So you get your body into that sleep paralysis mode, all the way up to the neck. And as you get up to this area of the head, what you'll start to hear is a cool buzzing sound. It sounds like a fly, a bee, very insect-like. And it'll start around your face and forehead, and then kind of around your ears and a little behind your head. And once you hear this buzzing sound, take that it's more like a vibrational sound. So take that vibration. And this is step 3. Take that vibration, the vibrational state. Take it from around your head and then move it down your body, inch by inch. Pretend like this vibration is like this heavy blanket, a heavy comforter blanket. And just take it all the way down your body, all the way down till it covers your feet. And once you get to there, then inside your mind's eye on that little screen that you're looking at, visualizing, imagine your feet and legs and arms plopping up, levitating up, moving, kind of like a wave-like motion where it's going up and down, and then slowly bring it higher and lower, etc. Now these sensations, these things you're feeling with your legs plopping up, your arms popping up, that is not your physical body moving. At this point, you're basically moving your etheric body. Your etheric body is activating. You're connecting to it. So once you feel that, go into step 4, which is exit technique. And, roll out. Climb up a rope with your etheric body. Levitate up. Go through the ceiling. Do whatever you can to try any number of exit techniques to just get away from the physical body and then move outside of the room or space that your body is in. And then you're free. You're free to explore. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.